And now, ladies and gentlemen, to mark the closure of our 3-day dialogue, I would like to invite the Executive Director of the National Maritime Foundation, Commodore Jay Bedi, on stage for his vote of thanks.
Admiral Karambir Singh, Chairman NMF, Vice Admiral Tarun Sopti, Deputy Chief of the Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Pradeep Chauhan, DG NMF, flag officers, distinguished speakers and moderators, special invitees, members of the Governing Council, ladies and gentlemen. The vote of thanks each year falls within the remit of the Executive Director. And this year, it is my privilege to have the last word at this conference. At this edition of the IPRD, as we come to the close, we would do well to reflect on the depth of deliberation and the diversity of ideas that have emerged over the past 3 days. The vibrant discourse has only reaffirmed the significance of the Indo-Pacific as a region where capacity building and capability enhancement through resource sharing remain the preferred means of furthering our strategic interests in the maritime domain. The whole of region, multidimensional, cooperative, and multilateral approach that is embodied by the Indian Oceans Pacific Initiative, Indo-Pacific Oceans Initiative, is in keeping with the Indian Navy's commitment of inclusive maritime engagement, advocating not just military, but social, economic, and ecological well-being and security. Each edition of the Indo-Pacific Regional Dialogue reflects on a key spoke of this interconnected web of the IPOI and churns out the character of the regional maritime challenges in that domain. This year's focus was on development of a resilient blue economy through collaborative capacity building efforts across the Indo-Pacific. Dedicated sessions on Africa's Integrated Maritime Strategy 2050, the immense potential of the Pacific Islands, and the discussions on various other topics threw up various avenues where we could build capacity and enhance capability. I hope that this edition of the IPRD's layered and iterative approach will facilitate translation of these deliberations into ideas and practical outcomes which can be implemented by the regional stakeholders. Coming now to the thanks. The NMF, as Indian Navy's knowledge partner and the premier maritime think tank of the country, would like to acknowledge the guidance and encouragement of the senior leadership of the Navy to help us conceptualize, plan, and conduct this event under the overarching framework of the IPOI. I express my deepest gratitude to all the speakers, moderators, and panelists who took out their time to enrich the IPRD with their esteemed presence in person and online, and also spared no effort in sharing their views and immense experience through well-researched and thoughtfully curated presentations and discussions. I would also like to thank you, dear audience, for making the IPRD such a grand success. The diversity and depth of your incisive, thought-provoking questions speaks itself for the quality of discourse that we have generated over the last 3 days. The enthusiastic participation from the academic fraternity and the students who have come from various parts of the country, as well as the NCD cadets who have been here with us for all 3 days, has been truly heartening for those of us who seek to promote maritime consciousness in the country. We at the NMF are also thankful to the personnel branch of the Navy, with a special mention for the Directorate of Naval Training and the Directorate of Administration for taking on the burden of getting us all the official sanctions and approvals and supporting us through this whole event. A thank you to INS India, who is our base ship and our landlord, for providing administrative support to the event. A special mention for the Public and Media Information Cell and the Defense PRO to helping us reach out to the public at large and giving this event publicity in the mainstream and social media, probably like it's never got before. I am thankful to the Manekshaw Center for providing us with this opulent venue, the excellent technical support, and the wonderful catering arrangements, which I'm sure you have enjoyed over the last 3 days. Finally, I would like to thank the entire NMF team, including the senior fellows, research support staff, our young researchers, and even younger interns, for rising to the occasion and taking ownership of each and every aspect of this event. This is my first IPRD, and I could not have asked for a better team to carry me through it. Ladies and gentlemen, I know it's late, but I seek your indulgence for another few moments as I request the entire NMF team and our liaison support staff from the Naval Headquarters to line up in front of the stage. As they line up, it may interest you to know that most of these young people you see in front of you, those who've been gently guiding, supporting, and ushering you at the hotel, the auditorium, and even at the catering stands, are not event managers, but serious academicians by profession. They have many master's degrees and even a couple of PhDs among them. It is not just their scholastic abilities, however, but their organizational skills and their teamwork that we applaud today. May I request you to give them a big hand? Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. With that, we come to the closure of this event. Hope to see you again next year. Jai Hind, Sarva Varna.